Hi everyone, Melissa here, coming on today to share a couple of projects that I made for hashtag Citrus Punch Mondays 2025, which is hosted by Veronica, which is VLB Allen1, and also Sewgoodall, which is Audrey. And so let's just go ahead and jump right in. So today, these are a few items that I'm using. So my ink choice was VersaFine Clair Nocturne ink. I'm also using these little gems from Dollar Tree, and I'm using that yellowish orange color. From the Stamp Market, I'm using some of their enamel dots, and I'm using both color yellows. And I'm using this fruit salad Lawn Fawn pack of paper, which is from Veronica, VLB Allen1, and I was able to use the yellows from there. From Cuddle Me Clay Tay, I'm using some of her flowers. This had white in it, and so I pulled out the white ones, as well as this pack here, and I'm using the yellow ones from that. Love her flowers, as you all know, so make sure you go over and visit her store. If I can remember, it'll be linked down below. Also, I keep a little container that has several different fruits in there, and so I pulled out all of my lemons that I wanted to use out of there, and I also threw some flowers in here just in case I wanted to enter another project with Citrus Punch Mondays 2025. Hopefully I can, but we will see. I don't have, surprisingly, I don't have any vegetables in my stash, so unless I pull out one of my machines to cut it out. And I could very well do that, but we shall see. Also, from Cards TV Stamps, I am using a Slice of Summer, and that was from Fun in the Sun. From Jaded, I am using, I want to say both of these. And then from Happy Crafter Shop, finally got a chance to use her tags. I love these, so cute. That's what I'm using today. From My Creative Time, I'm using this butterfly plate. And then from Maker's Movement, I am using the Summer and Days Are Soon to Come. And then from My Creative Time, once again, I am using the rectangle frame die layers. And then also, I picked up this paper a while ago, and I pulled that out finally, the Buffalo Check from Hobby Lobby, and that's what I'm using as well. And here goes these two cards that I created. And so as you can tell, I used the tag that I got from the Happy Crafter Shop, and you can't hardly tell, but I did ink that up with a little bit of green on there on that lemon, and then I popped this little half lemon down, and I forgot to show where those came from, but they were already created, like I said, so I just went ahead and used those. Love this. I wish I had went with my first mind, which was to use a ladybug. I think that pop of red would have done so much better than the butterfly, but I don't think it's bad. So I did put the butterflies on there, and then as you can tell, there goes the Summer. Days Are Soon to Come, and there goes that paper in the back. And I did cut this out with that My Creative Time rectangle background die. And then there goes the inside, and thanks to Leanne, I took the page out of her book and kind of did one of her numbers down there. But love that. And then this is just a hair different, only because of that half lemon there, and the colors of the enamel dots are a little different. But I love how these turned out, so super cute. And you know, Tay's flowers are my favorite, so had to put that in there. And then there goes the other one as well. So both of these are so super cute. Love them. And if you have the time, make sure you enter the ladies collab. And so yeah, it's gonna be fun. Thanks so much, ladies, for hosting this, and that's about it. Thanks so much. You all have a blessed and crafty day.